everyone. In this video, we will learn how to adjust column weight in Excel chart. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create column chart. Simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the column chart option. Select the first 2D columns first chart, and you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Drag the corner point to increase the size of the column charts. And here I'm going to change the width of the column. Simply select the any one column. So I select this one, and you can see the all column is selected. You can see the corner selection here showing every column. Okay. So right click on the any column chart and click on the format data series. Okay, and here you can see the format data series is open. In series option, you can see here the last option selected series options. In series option, there is a last option gap width. Okay, so you can just edit this gap. You just click on here and you can see the changes in column width. See the changes in column width. Column width changed. Okay, see if you want increase the gap width, you can increase, decrease. Okay, and see the column width is changed. Okay, if you can use here the up arrow and down arrow to increase and decrease the column gap width. Okay, so it changed the width of column also. Okay, see the changes over here. Here you can quickly change the gap width and see the changes in column width. So this is a way you can adjust the column weight in Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.